How to remove hidden from quick ad on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Snapchat on a device. Then simply tap on the ad icon at the top right corner. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on hidden from find friends. Now here are two methods to remove them from this page. So the first method is simply tap on ad, or you can simply go to their profile. Then tap on three dots and tap on block. Again tap on yes. Now simply go back, tap on the profile picture, then tap on settings. Now scroll down and find blocked users. Then simply tap on it, then tap on the cross icon to unblock. Now when you go back to the hidden from quick ad, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.